Hi YouTube, in this video we will be unboxing Cyxus blue light blocking computer glasses. These are actually the clip-ons that go on top of your glasses. So anti-digital, eye fatigue, minimize digital headache, better sleeping, and UV protection. I just want to tell you guys a story is that I ordered these and I'd been spending about 20 hours on the computer for the past several weeks, about 20 hours a day. And I got these and I had not wore them yet. Actually, I lost my eyesight in my right eye this past week. I went to the doctor 2 days ago and I have permanent eye damage in my right eye. So maybe if I would have got these in time, maybe it would have saved my eyesight, but I have to go to surgery. Still waiting to hear back. They should be calling me this week. So, what do we have? Cyxus testing kits. I haven't opened these yet, so. What does it say? It says, get the blue light torch from the package. Put the lens of Cyxus glasses above the testing area. Turn on the torch. Beam the testing area through the lens about 2 seconds. The area hardly turns blue. Beam the area without Cyxus glasses. The area turns blue immediately. So it's to test with this little, it's like a laser, little blue light. Okay, so we're going to be doing the test with the lenses. I guess that's it in the box. So that's their other social media. On Instagram at Cyxus Official, on Facebook Cyxus. I'm not endorsed or, I mean, I'll be putting a affiliate link below if you want to check it out. Okay, so this pretty much just tells you what is blue light and how bad it is for you. This is the fact that blue light penetrates all the way to the retina, the inner lining of the back of the eye, is important because lab studies have shown that too much exposure to blue light can disrupt your sleep, cause eye strain, blurry vision, dry and irritated eyes, headaches, neck and back pains, increased risk of cardiovascular diseases and cancers. How can Cyxus lens block harmful blue light? Cyxus blue light blocking lenses are designed using the US HEV absorbed substrate absorption technology to directly absorb high energy blue light wavelengths from 380 to 450 nm. With this unique technology, it could bring you better sleeping, reduce headache, and eye fatigue. Furthermore, it comes with a UV 400 protection coating, provides UV protection to you every moment. It has FDA, CE, ROHS certification so that it's safe for wearing. Okay, so now to the moment we've all been waiting for. It's a nice little pouch. Comes with a cleaning lens. I ordered the 2-pack for ones. I believe they're 2 different sizes because I have a big pair of sunglasses. I have this gigantic pair of Wayfarers. And then I also have a smaller pair of glasses. And I honestly didn't make up that story. I actually have to go get eye surgery done. And it's a little bit freaky, right? So these are the bigger clip-ons. So these are the smaller lenses. So obviously I would use these. These actually they raise up, so you can clip them on. They have the clip. See if I can show you a better angle. So they clip on. They clip on. So these work great on if you have big wayfarers or big lenses. Okay, there we go. And you can also lift them up. So it's that whole, that's how that works. Lift them up. So that's pretty cool. And actually, I just happen to have my other glasses right here. So let's see. Clip on, there we go. And these are like perfect size for these. They raise up. So these nifty blue light blockers. Okay, so let's try the laser now, the blue light. Would be the best. Look at that. The blue light does not, the lens does not let the blue light get in. That's amazing. Look at that. There's the blue light. And there's no blue light. Wow, that's so cool. That's very, 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 very cool. I will be definitely using these as soon as I'm done with the video. That's amazing. There's a blue light. Amazing. Blue light. And yeah, none of the blue light goes through. That's fantastic. I mean, can you imagine just computer screen and UV light just shining on your face all the time? The damage that it probably does to your eyesight. That's crazy. That's so crazy. All right, well, that's the unboxing for the Cyxus blue light blocking glasses. If you found the video useful, please click a thumbs up, leave a comment below, maybe let us know what part of the video helped you out the most. Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I really hope this helped you out. Thanks so much for watching.